Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Canva file and confirming basic details: number of pages, size, and layout. Once done, identify which elements must appear on every page, logos, footers, or background patterns, and which are unique. Make sure to unlock or group items you'll reuse so they're easy to copy. Next, create or paste one master element on the first page. This reduces mistakes and saves time when you apply it across all pages. Now you apply the element across pages. Select the logo, footer, or background group and copy it. Go to each page and paste in the same spot, or duplicate the first page if layout matches. Duplication preserves exact placement. Use Canva's position and align tools to pin items relative to the canvas. This ensures visual consistency. If you have many pages, work in small batches and lock elements once placed so accidental edits don't shift your layout as you move along. Finish by locking all global elements so they remain fixed while you edit page-specific content. Then preview the entire document to check spacing, overlaps, and readability. Once satisfied, download or share directly from Canva. If something goes wrong, elements shifted or misaligned, don't panic. Use undo or reapply by duplicating the corrected page and replacing affected pages. Make sure to save a copy before mass changes, so you can always revert to the original if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.